Well, we'll still be working through the latest announcement from the President this morning, Australian time. Obviously, we've been aware of the administration's intention to take action against pharmaceutical imports into America, and we've been engaging with them and making the case why we should continue with the tariff-free trade that has characterised US-Australian relations for more than 20 years. We buy more pharmaceutical products from the US by quite a distance than they buy from us. It is not in the American consumer's interest to impose a higher price on the exports from Australia to America, particularly given the degree to which their exporters to Australia benefit from that free trade as well. But we're examining the latest announcement. We're talking to companies who might be impacted by it, because obviously there are some qualifications the President mentioned this morning about whether or not a company has some capital investment plans in train in America, and a number of the companies from Australia do have that capital investment underway. But I make this point: none of these latest announcements for the US administration make a jot of difference to our determination to protect the PBS. We're obviously very keen to understand that, because probably, I think, over 2/3 of our exports are blood and plasma products. We're very keen to understand the scope of the announcement this morning from the US administration, and also to the extent that it is captured, the degree to which the big company exporting those products right now will be captured by the exemption the President announced this morning. That is, that they have some capital investment projects underway in the United States, which on the face of the President's announcement would exempt them from these additional tariffs. That the core objective of the US administration is to lower drug prices in their own country, and they're using tariffs as a tool to try and achieve that objective, which is a matter between the US administration and big pharma companies, whether they're American or non-American companies. I guess our job now is to protect the interests of Australians, most importantly Australian patients who have benefited for almost 80 years from the PBS, a great Labor legacy from the 1940s, and also to do what we can to support Australian companies who might be hit by what we regard as unfair, unjustified tariffs after 20 years of free trade.